where you will find the best live entertainment in Greene County. Tonight I am here with SnowStorm, their new local band.
Hey, Bob.
What are you guys' name?
I'm the piano, I play bass. Steven Entenhauser, singing guitar.
Yippee Kaye, I play drums.
What are your musical backgrounds?
Evan.
I've been playing bass for about 9 years, ever since I was 10. My dad played bass, so I wanted to play bass. That's just how I
played it.
10 years old. That's awesome. That's very cool. I've been a musician most of my life. Playing school band, whatnot. Got everything from rock bands, pop bands, metal bands. And it's just fantastic. Yippee?
I play drums. That's something I was always interested in, but didn't get started with until 3 years ago. And developed kind of a decent bluesy jazz groove, I guess.
What do you want the public to know like you?
Nothing. We're just out to have fun. We're gonna hopefully be playing out here soon. We probably can come up with enough songs quick enough to do an opening gig. Hopefully in the next couple of months we'll be able to pull in be a headliner. Just run a night ourselves. It's really eclectic at this point. I mean, music from Elvis to what else we got? Eve 6. Yeah. Buffalo Springfield. I mean, just random stuff.
How did your band get started?
Tuesday for the girl.
In fact, Steve and I were at Tofflers. I had just walked through the door, actually. Sat down and said, hey, where's the band?
They canceled.
They canceled?
And finally, Floyd, I'll go get my truck and we'll go get all your equipment and bring it over. Talk Yippee into the drums. So we did. I get his stuff up.
Grab my gear, we're bringing it up. He gets his gear.
Bring it in.
We didn't know what was going to happen. We never played.
We never even met.
We never met that night.
That's the first thing I said on stage, on the microphone. We just met. We never played before, Yippee and I, and I've been drinking, so here we go. And that was the birth of SnowStorm.
An hour and 45 minutes later, and there's still people in the bar.
We didn't scare people off. Yeah, we made a few bucks.
Yeah, but it was a lot of fun. We played probably 3 or 4 songs twice.
Oh yeah. Or 3 times.
Freebird.
Yeah, no Freebird. No Freebird. We never did cover Freebird. We never will, right guys? No Freebird, right? Oh man, heaven's gonna cave.
I love that.
Hi, Bob. Sorry.
I like food.
This is Haley. She works here at Tofflers, and she's interviewing us.
For the first time.
For the first time. Probably the last.
Tonight I am here with SnowStorm, their new local band.
Come on.
What are you guys' names?
Sorry.
You're not
I'm just well. Hey. You surrounded. That's
I
alright.
totally thought that was going to be